Consistency is key. It's not about the big, flashy moments that define our success, but rather the small, daily actions we take that compound over time to create massive results. Darren Hardy's book, The Compound Effect, delves into this concept, emphasizing how our consistent behaviors, aligned with our core values, can lead to significant growth in both our personal and professional lives. Think about it. Every decision we make, no matter how small, has an impact. By aligning these decisions with our core values, we set ourselves on a path towards success. It's about making choices that reflect who we truly are and what we stand for, day in and day out. Measuring progress is crucial. It's not just about the end goal, but also about tracking the small wins along the way. These incremental improvements may seem insignificant at first, but over time, they add up to something truly remarkable. It's like building a skyscraper, one brick at a time, each small action contributing to the grand structure. Patience is key in this journey. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is success. It's about trusting the process, staying committed to our values, and understanding that true growth takes time. By staying patient and persistent, we can achieve long-term success beyond our wildest dreams. So remember, it's the daily consistency that paves the way for massive results. Stay true to your core values, make decisions that align with your goals, measure your progress, and above all, be patient. The compound effect is real, and by harnessing its power, we can unlock our full potential and achieve greatness in all aspects of our lives.